There's a version of changing your life that doesn't look like fireworks. It's quiet, it's messy, it's crying when no one's watching, then showing up anyway. It's deleting an old plan and starting over for the 5th time this week. You wake up, आपका पूरा दिन प्लान है, कब क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, everything. You start with the first thing and it doesn't turn out the way you were expecting. और उसके ऊपर से someone tells you, Are you sure you're trying enough? What do you do all day? तुम्हें हर चीज मजाक लगती है, तुम सीरियस नहीं हो, तुम्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता. What nobody sees is how hard it is to believe in yourself again. जब आपने अपनी पूरी लाइफ खुद को पसंद नहीं किया हो, when you have seen yourself as a failure all your life. और सिर्फ इतना नहीं, after disappointment, after being told you're too slow, too sensitive, too late, too naive, and you started to believe in everything that people say and started reading into words. They don't see the resistance you fight just to get out of bed. They don't see how heavy it feels to be the only one rooting for yourself every single day. And the worst part is, you can't even blame them. I mean, मैं नहीं कर पाई. Because I thought I'm the problem. How are they supposed to know something when they don't know me and my life and what is running into my head 24/7? It's a struggle. You see, जब आप हर जगह हर चीज में सिर्फ खुद को ब्लेम करते हो तो लाइफ आपको और रीजंस देती है to continue to do so. And I did a very good job doing that. But that's alright, you know. वो सब ठीक है. What hurts the most is when you're trying to be better each day. When you start to see that you're enough, that whatever you do means something. It always has been. अब मैं देखती हूँ खुद को इतना ट्राई करते हुए, खुद पर ट्रस्ट करते हुए, जब कोई भी नहीं करता, खुद के लिए स्टैंड लेते हुए जब कोई भी नहीं लेता, तो समझ आता है कि मैं पहले कैसी थी. ऐसे सब पर बिलीव कर लेती थी. किसी ने कहा तुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा और मान लेती थी. But now it triggers me. It challenges me. And I don't give up easily. I want to prove it to them. But mostly to myself. Because if I stop, तो ये खुद की disrespect करना होगा. और मैं अब कुछ भी करूँगी. But I will not disrespect myself ever again. Only I know how I came this far. With lots of trial and error. With lots of tears. With lots of self-doubt. I won't stop because someone says something negative. Nope, no way. Right now, not a single person believes in me. And I know why. I'm not mad at them because they are right in their place. I understand their concern. But I also don't care much about what they say and think. I mean, yes, I do get hurt and I cry too because of that. But I won't let it stop making me believing in myself. और मुझे सिर्फ यही चाहिए. बस यही. I don't want to stop believing in myself. क्योंकि ये थोड़ा बहुत ट्रस्ट, करेज, जो भी कुछ आया है, बहुत मुश्किल से आया है. मुझे ये नहीं खोना. Because after a long time, from years actually, I finally started to enjoy living life. Not because I've achieved something big, but because I started to believe in myself and like myself. Yes, that's all. One perspective is all it takes. I haven't achieved anything. But I know I can and I will. So you keep going. Even if it's just you, your journal and quiet prayer. And you're the only one who's cheering for you. That counts. That matters. Because at the end of the night, you only have you. And the only opinion that matters the most is what you think about yourself. And the real magic starts when you start to see your capabilities. And when you start to see your worth. There is hidden magic in you. And the moment you start believing in yourself, you finally see it. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you do, don't forget to like it. Subscribe for more such videos. I'll catch you next time. Thank you.